In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare two assets by overlaying their charts in TradingView. This is a powerful technique for identifying correlations, divergences, and relative strength between markets. Whether you're analyzing stocks, crypto pairs, or ETFs, overlaying charts helps you visually understand how two assets move together over time. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright lads, let's get started. First, open your TradingView chart. In this example, I'm using Apple, AAPL, as the primary chart. Let's say we want to see whether Apple has any correlation with the S&P 500. Overlaying another asset directly on top of your chart makes this super easy. Look at the top left corner of your screen where your main ticker symbol is displayed. Right next to it, you'll see a small plus icon. This button is specifically for adding comparison symbols and indicators. Click on it. A search box will appear. Type the name or ticker of the asset you want to compare. So in this case, S&P 500 or SPX. Click on it and TradingView will immediately overlay that asset onto your existing chart. By default, TradingView displays the comparison asset as a line graph, which helps keep the chart clean. But you're not limited to that. You can customize it. To change how the overlaid asset appears, look just above your chart where your indicators are listed. You'll see the new symbol added there. Click on its settings icon, and inside the settings panel, you can choose whatever chart style you prefer. Candles, bars, area, Heikin Ashi, or keep the default line chart. Switching to candles can be especially useful when you want to closely compare price movements or identify trend divergences. Once you select the style you want, the overlay updates instantly. Now both assets appear on the same chart, letting you visually compare them in real time. This makes it easy to see whether Apple and the S&P 500 move together, diverge, or show leading and lagging behavior, all of which can be incredibly valuable for technical analysis. And that's all you need to do to overlay charts and compare assets inside TradingView. It's simple, and it gives you much deeper insight into market behavior. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.